points brought to you by Balaban Riders Express. Kaya Mr. Gawin Arsico, pwede naman niya magkontak. Ihatod ang inyong orders. Thank you so much. Imang to Mr. Pacquiao, Panyales, getting the ball. Back to Mr. Imang, down sa kita, pinitawan, shoot! Rebound for Papanatiko, bumapit ang katawan, Asamo, foul, Paiti, Zeiss, second personal foul committed by Mr. Pacquiao, doping man of Urban Pika Boys. Bonus row officer, penalty ref, bonus row officer, Panati. Yes, perfect. 92% of free throw, Mr. Panati for the second bonus row. Pinitawan, mapahong butas. Rebound for Madrid-Yos, the big man, the veterans. Getting the ball, Mr. Imang. Imang sa ilalim, veterano, kihugit ang gulaf. Foul, Mr. Number 9, 8. Panatico, first personal foul committed.